equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. First, unplug your Dyson SV10 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it off. This will give you better access to the motor housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. There will be a connector that you need to carefully unclip. Make sure to take note of how it's connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. These are usually Torx screws, so grab your Torx screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area around the motor with a soft brush or cloth to remove any dust and debris. This will help ensure optimal performance for your new motor. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place. Remember to reconnect the wiring harness, making sure it clicks into place just like the original. Before reassembling the vacuum, it's a good idea to test the new motor. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. Once you've confirmed the motor is working, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the dust canister, and your Dyson SV10 is ready to go. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get your vacuum repaired without the hassle. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.